Hey my beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ariana from Ariana's Beauty Zone. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button. Today I will be doing a silk press on my client who traveled all the way from Indiana just for me to do her hair. Now let's get into the video. And guys, do not forget to thumbs up this video. So first I'm going to take her to the shampoo bowl to get her shampooed and conditioned. Now that her hair is shampooed and conditioned, I'm going to section her hair into 4 sections to make sure her hair is sufficiently blown out and dry. Now I'm going to take one of the sections and put my secret mixture in her hair and scalp while it's damp. After I put my secret mixture in her damp hair, I'm going to get my brush and detangle that section starting from the ends, piece by piece, all the way to the root. Now I'm going to go through her hair with the blow dryer the same way I did before with the brush, starting from the ends, piece by piece, all the way to the root. Now I'm going to comb her hair into a ponytail so that way I can start hot combing her roots. Here's a tip for y'all. A lot of people think that when water and or humidity hits their hair, it starts shrinking up from the middle or the ends of their hair, when in actuality, it starts shrinking up from the roots of your hair. When you're using a regular size flat iron, you can't really get too close to the roots because you'll most likely burn your client trying to. Therefore, hot combing the roots makes it easier and makes the silk press last longer. Disclaimer, you guys, my client was telling me that she's ticklish where the nape of her neck is. So if you see her flinch while I'm hot combing that area, I did not burn her, okay? You guys heard me say before that hot combing the roots before you start silk pressing makes the silk press last longer. Which may lead to another question, which is, how long is a silk press supposed to last? Here's another tip for y'all. There is no specific time frame that your silk press is supposed to last. How long your silk press lasts depends on how long the environment allows it to last. So if you're around water, steam, humidity, without your hair being protected by a shower cap or at least a plastic bag, best believe your hair is going to be messed up. So as y'all can see, I section rows out of her hair and I start hot combing all over the roots. Now that all of her roots are hot combed, I can start straightening her hair with my red by Kiss titanium flat iron. So how I do it is I part a piece of hair out and comb it through. Then I'm going to do 2 passes. The first pass I usually do quickly without the comb just to prep it. Then with the second pass, I go down slowly with the comb, aka the chase method. Now that her hair is straightened, I'm going to evenly cut her split ends. Pay attention to how I follow my guide as I'm cutting. Usually when you see professional hairstylists trim or cut their clients' hair, we either get low or lean left and right just to make sure that the cut is even and straight. Because believe it or not, we get better results doing that. So y'all can't really see, but I'm cutting her hair into layers because she wants her hair to be curly. Curls look a whole lot better when they're layered, trust me.
Take this overboard now. I want you to feel beat, and we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride the so right, 'cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside.
Now I'm going to put her hair into a ponytail and use my Hairtutorial wax stick to put on her edges and use my hot comb to press it. Now I'm going to start curling her hair. How I do it is by sectioning a piece of hair out, curl it with my flat iron, hold it, and then pin it up afterwards. Here's another tip for y'all. After you curl a piece of hair, it is important that you hold it with your hands afterwards and pin it up, because if you just let the curl go after you curl it, gravity will pull the curl while heat is still in the hair and make the curl potentially straighten back up. When I get towards the front and the top, I curl her hair away from her face so that way she can have that bang action going on. Now I'm going to spray her hair with holding spray and blow dry her hair on cool, so that way there is no more heat in her hair and to make sure her curl stays in. And now my favorite part, I'm going to get my rake comb and comb them curls out, honey. So now I'm going to get my Hairtutorial wax stick and swoop her edges. Thank you all for watching. Please make sure to thumbs up this video. Y'all can go visit our website at arianasbeautyzone.glossgenius.com. That is where you can also book an appointment with me. Until next time, beauties.